Hello everyone, I'm Naina Dogra. I welcome you all in this channel. So don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so you get latest update of the sessions. So today we are going to discuss about JOA IT previous year question paper, and we are back with our series of JOA IT questions. So let's analyze the question paper which are there in a examination. So discuss one by one. So our first question is which is related to English subject. So the first question is, they had dashed the venue for a party a month. So first question is about fill in the blanks. Which one is fit in this blank? So they had dashed the venue for a party a month. Our first option is found and soon. Second option is saw and earlier. Third option is selected and earlier. And fourth option is booked and in advance. So if I talk about had, this is used in a past. All of you know about has, have and had. These two terminology is used in a present tense, has and have. Have is used for plural and has is used for singular terminology. And if I talk about had is used for both singular as well as plural. So had is basically related to past tense, and this sentence is in a past format. So our right option is fourth option. They had booked the venue for a party a month, or even you can say that they had in advance the venue for the party a month. So fourth option is our right option. Move to our next question. She is one of the dash interior decorators dash the city. She is one of the is a basically a article, and after the you can use superlative degree. All of you know about degree of adjective. First is positive degree, second is comparative degree, and the third one is superlative degree. If I talk about good, so good is our positive degree, and better is comparative degree, and superlative best is the superlative degree. And after the article you always follow the superlative degree. So in this context, so first is best, and in preposition is used in this blank. Second option is best in this blank and of in this blank, and third and fourth option is related to better and good. Fourth option is good and at. So if I talk about the article, as I say that the article followed by superlative degree. So this is not a superlative degree, this is a comparative degree, so this is a wrong option. And good is a positive degree adjective, so this is also a wrong option. So we are left with our two option. First option is best, and second option is also best. Here the difference in preposition in and of preposition. So you can say that she is the one of the many. Many means she is one of the best interior decorators dash the city. So you can use in the city, not use of. Of connect the two sentences. You can say of is used in a sense of say. So here in the city. So our right option is first option is the right option. She is one of the best interior decorator in the city. So move to our next option and next. So in this question, please dash sure that you attach the photocopies dash not the originals. So here are two blanks in this question. So we and also is the first option. Second is make and third option is let me and what, and the fourth option is so only. So if I talk about sure, so we is not in this context, and third option is a wrong option. And if I talk about fourth option, this is also a wrong option. You can't use so with the sure. So we are left with our second option. So right option is the second option. You can follow the eliminate process and then you can go with the right option choice. So please make sure that you attach the photocopy and not the originals. So here we talk about photocopies. So move to our next question, which are there in examination. Which of the following is not a compound word? Compound word. You all know about simple as well as compound. Compound is basically a mixture of words, and there are so many words in which you can associate. First option is hardwired, second is run of the mill, third option is bottleneck, and fourth option is milestone. So in this question, which of the following is not? Which of the following is not a compound word? So first option is a compound word, second option is also a compound word, bottleneck is also a compound word which is a mixture of two words, and if I talk about fourth option, so this is our right option. This is not a compound word, this is a simple and not a segregated kind of word. So this is a simple word. So you can say milestone is a not a compound word. So fourth option is our right option. Move to our next question. So in this question, a short fall in a supply would knock the bottom out of the engineering industry. So what does knock the bottom out of? This is basically an idiom. All of you know about idiom and phrases. So this is a not a phrasal verb. You can say this is an idiom. Knock the bottom out of something. So which stands for, it means what is the meaning of knock the bottom out of. So first option is make it baseless. Second option is shake its foundation, and third option is cause it to collapse. Collapse means two things which are you can say break with each other, yeah, even a collapse. So in the third option, none of these. Knock the bottom out of. So our right option is third option, cause it to collapse. So move to our next question. They all star dash at as the door of the dilapidated house swung open. So first option is with bated breath, second option is with closed eyes, third option is jokingly, and the fourth option is in the same boat. So which one is our right option? So if I talk about the questions which are there in examination, they all star dash as the door of the dilapidated house swung open. So in this option, so our right option is our first option, because they are start with something. You can use the preposition after start, which is fixed preposition, that is with. So with bated breath as the door of the dilapidated house swung open. So this option, first option, is our right option. You can't use started, after that you use the preposition in and another things jointly, which is a adverb. So after started, this is adjective, so you can't follow this jointly. So our right option is basically a first option with bated breath. Move to our next question. The patient dash before the doctor came. The patient dash before the doctor came. This sentence is basically a important question and important sentence. The patient died. Second option is had died. Third option is was dying, and fourth option is dies. So the patient, here we talk about the doctor came. It means this is related to simple past. So it means here you used past perfect tense. So had is followed by verb ki third form, which is died. So the patient had died before the doctor came. This is a very popular sentence, you can say, and examination point of view this is important question. So move to our next question. which are there in examination. So this question is basically related to adjective, basically related to articles. He sent dash word that he could come soon. So first option is A, second is an, third is the, and the fourth option is no article required. So which one is our best option? So if I talk about all these options, he sent word that he would come soon. So it means here you no need to put any article in this context. So you can say fourth option is our right option. He sent it, simple, you can use he sent word that he would come soon. You can't use any article in between them. There is a omission of article in this sentence. So move to our next question. He would come if you dash. If means this is a conditional sentence. Conditional sentence acquire if, you can say unless, until, these all are related to conditional sentence clauses. So first option is wish. He would come if you wish, if you wished, if he had, you had wished, and would have wished. So in this sentence, after in this type of conditional sentences, you can use only simple verb. So you would, and all of you know about, if there is any model verb is also follow B1, verb first form. Would also follow verb first form. Come, if there is a can, could, may, might, ought to, all these modal verbs follow verb first form. So you can remember, he would come if you wish. So first option is our right option. So move to our next question. In 10th question, every person visiting a doctor happens to dash from a clinical or a psychological disorder. Disorder means there is any problem, disease, that is disorder. So every person visiting a doctor happens to, if I talk about to, this is also follow B1. This is a basically an important rule, to always follow B1, verb first form. So first option is all, second is sick, third option is suffer, and fourth option is agonies. Agonies is means extreme pain. So that is the meaning of agony. So every person visiting a doctor happens to suffer from a clinical or psychological disorder. So suffer is a best option you can put here. So move to our next question. What word means an extremely strong dislike or fear of someone or something? Here we talk about dislike. Strong dislike means hatred, and fear of someone or something. So which one is the best meaning of this terminology? A strong dislike, hatred, and fear of someone. First option is mania, second option is phobia, myopia, this is related to our eye, myopia, hypermetropia, these all terminologies, basically a biological terminology, and allergy. So if I talk about strong dislike and fear of someone, it means our right option is phobia. So second option is our right option. Move to our next question. What word means a person or a thing that appears to an exact copy of another? Exact copy of another. First is clone, second is clown, third is blueprint, fourth option is abstract. This is a wrong option, abstract. You can eliminate this option. You are left with 3 options. So our right option is, here we talk about exact copy of another. So our right option is clone. Someone say blueprint is a right option, but this is not a right option, this is a wrong option. So right option is clone. First option is our right option. Move to the next one. Which of the following is the correctly spelled word? Spelled means here we talk about spellings. So omission, 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 omission. So if I talk about omission, so third option is the right option. omission, omission. You can't use double M. You can't use double S. You can't use double S. So it means omission. C option is our right option. एक second, this is a mistake. Second option is the right option. There is a my mistake. So second option is the right option. Omission, omission. So in this type, you can say in this type of question in the examination, a little bit confusing question. So second option is the right option. So move to the our next question. The correct transformation. Transformation means change, conversion. You can convert this question. In this examiner asks the conversions, transformation of the sentence. The news is too good to be true. So what is the transformation of in this question? So first option is the news is so good to to be true. The news is so good that it is true. The news is so good that it cannot be true. Here we talk about transformation. It means if there is a positive sentence, you can convert it into a negative one. So this sentence is a positive affirmative sentence, this is a positive sentence, and here we talk about something negative. So the news is so good that it cannot be true. And the third option is good enough. This is also a positive sentence. So here we talk about transformation. So third option is our right option. This is a positive and this is a negative sentence. So that third option is our right option. Move to our next question. But will be the suitable prefix for the opposite of the word trust. Prefix. There is a suffix and prefix. So first option is un, second is anti, third is dis, and fourth is d. This is not any kind of prefix. So our right option is dis. Trust, opposite means distrust. So that in this context you can say dis is the opposite of trust, prefix. So move to our next question. The correct preposition in completing the sentence, he hindered me dash doing this. Hindered means there is an obstruction. You can say rukavat. So hindered, obstruction. So the correct preposition you can use. So he hindered me dash. First option is related to from, for, and third option is by, and fourth option is over. So you can say that he hindered me from doing this. So this make a correct sense. So from is the best preposition you can use here. So first option is our right option. So in this question, examiner related to the identify the part of speech. Part of speech means noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction. These all are a part of speech. So here first question is related to I ate some rice. Here underlying word is some. So first option is adjective, second is adverb, third is noun, and fourth option is pronoun. So these three options are wrong options. So we are left with our first option. So some is basically an adjective. So I ate some rice. Some is an adjective. Move to our next question. Here the underlining word is we. We is underlining word. We hurt ourselves. First option is noun, second is pronoun, third is adjective, and the fourth option is verb. So which one is the right option? All of you know we is basically a pronoun. So second option is our right option. Synonym of ambling. Synonym means similar word. First is playing, second option is strolling, and third option is wandering aimlessly, and fourth option is stumbling. So if I talk about ambling, the synonym is second option, strolling. Ambling means strolling. So second option is the right option. And move to our next question. The synonym of unexploited. unexploited is the context of resources. So unexploited is basically a word which is related to resources. So first option is pure, second option is unsert, third option is untapped, fourth option is undeveloped. If I talk about unexploited, it means untapped. So third option is the right option. Move to our next question. The antonyms means opposite word. The robust economy, you can say robust. So first option is poor, second is strong, third option is loose, and the fourth option is flimsy. So the right option is no doubt fourth option. So robust and flimsy. So move to our next question. The antonyms of wilted. First option is stand, second option is upright, third option is tall, and fourth option is fell. So if I talk about wilted, so right opposite meaning, it means antonym is upright. Downward, upward, upright, down is type say, you can say. So move to our next question. So in this question, you can find out grammatically and idiomatic errors. So in this question, you can find out errors. If there is no error, you can use the choose the third option, which is no error. So first option is the director explained the sentence which are there in examination is the director explained the theme and the concept of the international folk festival. So first option is the director explained the theme. This is right. You can say here is no error. The director, which is followed by explained and then theme and the concept. Here the director explained two things. First one is theme and second one is concept of the international folk festival. So here is nothing any kind of error. So you can choose with our fourth option, which is no error. So fourth option is the right option. So we are with our last question, which are there in examination in the English section. The residents have been planning the theme. Second option is outside their homes and in lawns, and third option is to add beauty and give their place and a grand look, and fourth option is none of these. So here we talk about first option, the residents have been planning the theme. प्लान कर रहे थे, ठीक है, हैव बीन करते आ रहे हैं. यू कैन से कंटिन्यूस परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस सेंटेंस, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस सेंटेंस इज देयर. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन रेजिडेंट्स हैव बीन प्लानिंग द थीम, दिस इज अ राइट and you can say right sentence. And the second option is outside their homes and in the lawns, this is also right sentence. And if I talk about third sentence, here you need to find out the errors. So third option is the right option. Third option is the error sum option, to add beauty and give their place a grand look. So third option is the wrong option. This is the error sum part. So with this question we are going to end our session. Thank you for joining us. We are back with our interesting sessions. Thank you for joining.